Hey there, think of this video like a private audition tape for different AI singers that you can use whenever you need them. So I went ahead and made a vocal sample. I recorded it on a basic microphone, sitting on my desktop in a quiet room. And I uploaded it to each of the different sites I'm going to talk about. I'll play the samples back to back, and then if you find one that resonates with you, you know where to start. My singing voice is pretty average, so you should get similar results. Let's get going. Here's the very short demo that we'll use for the test. Hey, vocal test. Hey, vocal test. This is a vocal test. I'll play a few seconds of the website demo for each singer, and then my demo with the converted vocal. Let's start with Mark from Audimee.
Been living this life so patient until I see you again. It's what we're facing.
So that's how he might sound in a full song. Here's how he sounded singing my demo.
Hey, vocal test. Hey, vocal test. This is a vocal test.
The next one up is Nicole from Audimee. Here's her demo.
It never fades away. It's staying. Your kiss like broken glass on my skin.
And here's Nicole performing my song.
Hey, vocal test. Hey, vocal test. This is a vocal test.
The third singer that Audimee gives you when you have a free trial is Blake. So here's his demo.
Hesitate to break down the garden gate. There's not much time left today. Life is a highway. I wanna ride it all night.
And here he is on my demo.
Hey, vocal test. Hey, vocal test. This is a vocal test.
The next site up is Lalal.ai. The first one up is Nicholas. Here's his official demo from the webpage.
Go tell me I'm the first to go. 'Cause baby I go on and on. If all the words I said to you ever made you feel as if you're blue.
And here he is on my sample.
Hey, vocal test. Hey, vocal test. This is a vocal test.
Now, in that recording, you probably heard a lot of p, h. I had some of those noises in my test file, so this singer picked up on those noises. And that's not a bad thing. That means they'll pick up on nuances in your recording, and it just means I'd have to make a better recording if I were working on a song. So now it's time for a female singer. I chose Stasia. Here's her demo.
Maybe I'm only reminders of what we were. Written in a note, how we were right. Didn't know.
And here's Stasia singing my song.
Hey, vocal test. Hey, vocal test. This is a vocal test.
And the third singer that I'll pick will be Nick Zell. Here's his demo.
And maybe I will be your man. And all the words to save you on the sunny little afternoon.
Here he is with my demo.
Hey, vocal test. Hey, vocal test. This is a vocal test.
Check them out. Their vocals are great, just like Audimee. And let's go on to the next set of AI singers. Now we're at Controlla, and let's do the same thing. We'll start with Caleb. Here's his demo on the site.
and the world, and turn it inside out, yeah, and floating around in ecstasy. So,
And here he is on my demo.
hey, vocal test. Hey, vocal test. This is a vocal test.
Let's listen to Lola's demo.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best.
And here's Lola singing our test demo.
Hey, vocal test. Hey, vocal test. This is a vocal test.
Here's Jamar.
I ain't joking, do it sound like I'm kidding. I've been making like 2,000 a minute. So high up through the clouds, I was swimming.
And here's Jamar on the test demo.
Hey, vocal test. Hey, vocal test. This is a vocal test.
These should give you a pretty good idea of what you can expect if you can make a basic, clean recording in a quiet room. Most of these apps will let you record using your webcam microphone, or you can upload a voice memo, whatever works for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, leaving a comment, hitting the like button, subscribing. Those things really make a difference, and if you could take a second and do that, I'd appreciate it. The reason I'm showing you these videos is to save you time and trouble. I love reading your comments, so let me know if these are helping. I'll put a link in the description to all of the vocals that I talked about today, back to back. When you need to pick out a vocal, then you'll know right where to go. Other than that, have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.